Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Friends, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe because it is your like and subscribe gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. Today I am back with a new video. In rainy season, for a perfect vision, you need a good set of wipers. And if your wipers are more than 2 years old, I will suggest you to go for a replacement. And this time I have procured Michelin high performance wipers. These are a bit expensive than traditional wipers and the pair costs you around 950 rupees, and these are frameless type. There is a frame type also that is 50% cheaper, but why I have gone for this frameless type, because in case your rubber blades gets torn and you accidentally start your wiping, in case of traditional wipers your glass will get scratched, but in this case this won't happen. So this is a safety measure also, and this wiper promises that it can take extremes just such as heavy rain, snow, and it is of heat resistant like than the traditional wipers, so it will give you a long lasting performance. And this particular wiper is also graphite and Teflon coated, so that will also give you, you see, graphite and Teflon coated, so that will also give you some additional life and better performance in wiping. So first step will be, before you purchase, you select the exact size of your wiper. In case of Ford cars, it is morely 22 by 16. The driver side is 22 inches and the passenger side is 16, and most of the Ford cars are having the same size. So I have procured them from Amazon, and this season is the right time to purchase because you have lot of choices in Amazon. Now let's open it. How to open it, I will show you. Here you see there is a lock. You press it and press your wiper downwards, very easy. So here lies the lock. Now before installing it, I will show you what is the performance of the old wipers. So I will again refix it, just the reverse order. Okay. Now I will show you the wiper performance from inside and outside. This is the performance of old wipers. You see some lines are coming. So this shows that the blade is little bit worn out. Some lines are visible. So this is the time to change your wipers. Now I will show you from inside also. You see lines are coming. So this is the right time to change your wipers. Now let us install the new one. Keep them aside, you may need it sometimes in an emergency, so don't throw them out until and unless your blades are worn out absolutely or torn. First you need to open this cap. Insert the wiper, open the cap and press it like this until you hear a click sound and close the wiper cap. Now you are done. Similarly the other one also. This is the old wiper. It's still in working condition, so I will keep it aside for emergency. The same process. Press this lock. এই যে লকটা এই পাশ দিয়ে দেখা সোজা। Just bring it like this. After pressing this lock, here is the lock. You press the lock and bring it here. Now insert the new one. Very easy. Open the plastic cover. Okay. Simply insert it like this. Simply just insert it like this. Here is the group. You hear the click sound and close the cover and you are done. Now I will show you from outside about the performance of this wiper. I will give a rain test also once the rain comes. Start recording. Now let's show it from inside. Now let's show it from inside also. You see the wipe is absolutely clear, no lines are visible. You see absolute clean wipe, no lines are visible. So the wiping performance is very good. We'll give a rain test once the rain comes. Absolutely soundless, you can listen to that. So that is how you easily upgrade your traditional wipers to frameless high performance wipers, and it is very easy, and I am letting you to judge whether you should purchase this wiper or not. But my experience is that this type of frameless wipers, although they are expensive, they give better wiping performance and they are more long lasting and they prevent your windscreen from accidental scratches. So I have made different videos of different brand. I have done a Bosch Clear Advantage. I have done, this is from the Michelin, and this is my first experience with Michelin brand. And this is a bit expensive. It compares the price of Aero Twin of Bosch. So I am letting you to judge, and definitely it's a worth upgrade. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.